Hey everyone, in today's video, Havells Big Fill 900 watt sandwich maker. Let's see its unboxing and review. So the MRP is 3225, but we got it from Amazon for 2079, and in the box you get user manual, then the warranty card that comes with 2 years of warranty, and here is the sandwich maker, 900 watt voltage, 230 voltage, and 2 slice toaster. Weight is 1.8 kg, stainless steel body, and here is the cord. I found a little short. It has fixed sandwich plates with non-stick coating, and there is power indicator and ready indicator button. So green when power is on and red when the sandwich is ready. It comes with a hinged lock and cool touch handle. Ready and preheat in just seconds, and toast 2 sandwiches in about 2-3 minutes. It heats up quickly, toast evenly, and deliver perfectly crispy sandwich every time. And this stainless steel body get a little hot, but the handles are completely cool to touch and operate. You can grill veggies in it too, and non-stick plates are easy to clean. Just wipe with a clean cloth, and I'm genuinely impressed with its quality and performance. So if you are looking for a sandwich maker, I highly recommend this. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.